Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for the week of February 10th through 16th in my HOBONICHI weeks, and I'm just getting it set up here. Somebody asked me where this little yellow clip is from, and that is from Cult Pens. You actually get one attached to your receipt with every order, and I absolutely love them. All right, so what I am decorating my planner with, is over here. These are part of my newest collection. Let me just get it. This is the Champagne Rose Doodles, and I'll just show you. These are coming out this Friday, February 14th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So these are the doodles. Again, all painted and drawn with fountain pen ink. Then you have the line leaves to go with that, the circles, the dots and swatches, and then I thought I'd offer the ink splatters in either the large or the small size. So that is the collection I will be decorating with today. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, put white out down there to cover that up. I'm actually going to be purchasing another one of these from Paper Blush Plans soon, because I can't remember how much I have used before this. So fingers crossed that all goes well. Okay, where are my tweezers? They're all the way in the back there. Oh, even before I do that, let's go ahead and draw in my grid, because I like to separate out my HOBONICHI weeks into 3 grids here. First grid is for my work schedule and any important appointments. The middle grid is for to-do lists, and then the third grid is for weather. So let's go ahead and line this up at the bottom. You want to know how like fresh off the presses this is. I literally transferred this to my silhouette about an hour ago and printed it off less than an hour ago. So this is very fresh off the press. But I love them. I love being able to experiment with the different colors of inks and be able to use them in a collection like this. So I'm gonna take one of these larger circles and use that, and then use one of these leaves. Oh, that's pretty. Place one big long leaf. I kind of wanted to, when I did these leaves, I wanted to do something similar to the Zentangles that I'm doing in my notebook. Just those repetitive lines over and over again. And I think I did achieve that with these. I'm going to place an ink splatter up at the top here with another leaf. I'm going to keep it pretty simple this week, but you know me, well, I mean, generally I do try to keep it simple while using up what I've got. Oh, I really like that. But I feel like I should have moved this. Oh well. Okay, so let's move that to the side here. I'm gonna use my Silver Burl in the Strata quartz here to write down my work schedule. I still have to check every week how I do this. This is inked with Wearing Gold, the Nightingale, and the Rose. Now, Thursday and Friday, I am probably going to be off due to a funeral. Then Saturday, actually, what I'm gonna do, okay. No, did I say the wrong ink? I used Diamond Cashmere Rose or Rose, I can't even remember now. I think I used Diamond Cashmere Rose or Rose Gold Antique. No, I used Rose Gold Antica. My brain, okay. So then, here we go, 8:30. We have the cleaner coming. And then on Saturday, oh, no swimming for Henry. No swimming. But Henry does have badminton. So, okay. Then my to-do list. So for Monday, my to-do list will be to meal plan, order groceries, I have to edit and upload this plan with me, and then edit and upload my new release, and then I have to take product photos. Then Tuesday, I have 3 orders I need to get out. Then I need to do, once I've done the product photos, I'll do the product listings. And see if I can get the email done that day. And then Wednesday, I would like to film in-house video for Saturday. And if I have time, I probably won't, but we'll see. Oh, and we also have to put out garbage on Tuesday. And then Thursday morning, I'm going to pack. So Thursday, well, okay, I'm leaving at noon on Thursday, so I'll probably pack in that morning. And then see if I can edit and upload that video. And the rest of the week I'm going to leave as is for now. I don't think I have any other plans for that weekend. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do, let's not use that pen, let's use this pen. I'm going to, what am I grabbing here? The next thing is the weather, and I feel like the weather is an entertaining thing for everyone here. So Monday, it's actually going to be sunny, but the thing with sun here in the very, very cold where I live is that it's very deceptive. Like, ooh, you think it's sunny, but no, it is super, super cold. Okay, so that's cloudy for most of the week and then sunny on Monday. So the weather, let's get my flying paper out here. So the weather for Monday, actually Monday, tomorrow, is the coldest, where the high -17 Celsius and the low is -31. Thank goodness I work from home. Tuesday, the high is -15 Celsius and the low is only -23. Wednesday, high of -16, the low of -26. Please tell me in the comments below if you find me putting the weather down helpful. If not, then I can always just skip through this. But I mean, this is just a prediction of what the weather's supposed to be for the week. In my actual day-to-day or my multi-year journal, that's where I write the actual weather. High, low, minus 26. Saturday, high of minus 19. And the low is minus 28. Goodness gracious. And then Sunday, the high is minus 13 with the low of minus 23 Celsius. Fun times, fun times. Okay, so then on this side of my Hobonichi Weeks spread, I end up doing 4 different things here. I have a sleep tracker, a workout tracker, a habits tracker, and a just tasks. So I'm going to do this. And actually this Tombow matches really well. It's Tombow 992. And I'm finding that, yeah, okay, that's not too bad. The Pilot Vanishing Point, this has Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi. Takesumi, I think the ink itself isn't great with this paper, which is unfortunate. So then I'm gonna do this sleep score here, where I'll see if this ink, oh yeah, it actually turns out quite well. So then the sleep, keeping track of my sleep score. And I am just tired, still tired. I said this in my last plan with me, that I'm trying to be better about the amount of sleep I'm getting, but I'm still just so tired. I'm tired all the time. And let's move that over here. And I'm trying to be better about taking, you know, iron supplements and like vitamin B and magnesium. I don't even know what vitamins I'm taking. But I'm just trying to be better about also eating better and trying to get more sleep. Also trying to exercise. There's so much that I'm trying to get in, but I'm just so tired. Okay. Then last is other habits here. So actually I'm going to write them down first. The habits that I'm trying to keep track of are trying to listen to my audiobook every day, take my vitamins every day, and my nighttime routine, and no stationary spend, and read 10 pages, which has not been going well. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. And then just, yeah, that'll do. Okay. And then habits. I really like this ink. This ink is working out really well for me. Last but not least, I can probably place one more thing here. I think I'm gonna look through my quotes from According to Allie to see if there's, no, this is the wrong one. If there's anything that I could add to that. I have these quotes here from According to Allie, and I'm just gonna use this one. All of me loves all of you. Just something for Valentine's Day. Something cute, and then maybe out of all the mess that I have here, maybe put one more sticker down. Yeah, maybe put one more. Do I want an ink splatter or do I want a... Yeah, it's gonna go over it a bit, but because it's a clear matte sticker paper, you'll still be able to see. Love it.
Love it. Let's clean up here.
All right, so there is my finished spread. I really love the colors of this, but I also love this portion of it. That's probably my favorite part. So the Champagne Rose collection comes out this Friday, February 14th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and I will be showing you all of my collections for this Friday's release on Thursday, so watch out for that video. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.